Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. On this occasion, we will present our group final semester exam entitled Hybrid Wind Energy System. Previously, we will introduce ourselves first. We are group of 6 TFB class from the Department of Physics Engineering Gajah Mada University. Next, we will discuss our work.
First, what is wind energy? Wind energy or wind power is the use of wind to provide mechanical power through wind turbines to turn electric generator for electrical power. Technology used in wind turbine is based on the ability to capture the energy contained in air motion.
First of all, we need to know the potential wind energy. Wind energy has a great potential in many regions. The installed capacity of 98 countries is 0.0734 megawatt per kilometer quadrat, which can make up for the current electricity consumption. Since 2014, global newly installed wind energy is growing by greater than 50 gigawatts every year, and the cumulative installed wind energy by the end of 2019 has reached 651 gigawatts.
This is the wind resource map of the world. This wind resource map provides an estimate of mean wind power density and wind speed at 100 meters above surface level. Power density indicates wind power potential, part of which can be extracted by wind turbines. There is three colors: red, yellow, and blue. Red is more dense than yellow, and yellow is more dense than the blue. And the darker the color, the more dense the wind power density. This is mean wind speed potential map. There is another three color: red, yellow, and blue. Red is faster than yellow, and yellow more is faster than blue. The darker the color and faster the wind. The last is Indonesian potential wind energy map. On this picture, we know that Indonesia have this potential that show in green color.
And then the factor to determine the location for wind power plants. First factor is climate. The most important of climate factor is wind speed, because wind speed can relate it of manufacture of power plant. And the second is geographic. In the most part of geographic factor is slope and altitude. But there are other parts like type of terrain and roughness. And the third is economic factor. The economic factor, which is an important part, is energy sale price, exploitation price, and infrastructure cost. The next factor is social environment. In this factor is different from high density population and with low population. And the last factor is technology. In its manufacture, the technology required, but each region must have different quality. For example, area with lots of tall buildings so that the wind move from one direction. So the technology must appropriate. The next is how to convert wind energy into electrical energy. Wind energy is converted into electricity with rotation of blade and then connected to a generator, where is generator to store the electrical energy. And in below section is a picture of power plant. In the left is front view and the right is side view.
And how much is the cost of wind power plant? In Denmark, Germany, Ireland, Norway, Sweden, Sweden and United States. In 2016, the average levelized cost of energy, or LCOE, is 48 euro per megawatt hour.
And then deployment of wind energy. The deployment of wind energy is associated with the two important economic benefits related to the reduction of CO2 and emission and the lower levels of fossil fuel consumption.
What are the weaknesses of wind as renewable energy? Some way to improve the potential wind energy. In some cases, the wind energy is insufficient or the availability inconsistent. The stand-alone wind energy system may not be practical for cooling the electricity when speed with wind energy. Wind energy has many weaknesses, but the weakness in wind energy can be overcome with hybrid energy.
There's two solutions or many solutions, but we will take two solutions to improve the potential of wind energy. First is airborne wind energy, and the second is hybrid renewable energy system. What is airborne wind energy system? Airborne wind energy system could be advantageous for mainly two reasons. They access the improved wind resource available at high altitudes, and they drastically reduce the mass for the same power output, potentially reducing cost. And the second is hybrid renewable energy system. Hybrid renewable energy system is the combined use of more than one energy source is quite common for distributed generation in remote places. Hybrid energy system for centralized generation is many used in the world. Among renewable energy technology, the combination of wind and solar PV energy when complemented exists has emerged as a possibility of producing electricity from gas. There's many ways or solutions to improve the weakness of wind energy, but mainly focus in this topic is wind hybrid renewable energies because the system is easier than many solutions.
Next is wind hybrid renewable energy system. Hybrid energy system require an efficient energy management system or EMS that helps to direct the flow of electricity through the delivery system and provides numerous benefits such as continuity of power. Maximum use of renewable energy increases system stability, reduces energy cost generation, and protects components from overload. The hybrid power system is designed by combining multiple power systems to increase system performance and efficiency.
This is the example of hybrid renewable energy system. This is a PV wind hybrid renewable energy system. There is a wind and a sunlight. Wind will convert it to electrical energy by turbine, and the electrical energy will load it in the AC load. In sunlight will collect by PV array, PV photovoltaic or solar cell, and sunlight will convert to electrical energy and will load it to AC load.
This is another example design. There is a hybrid of wind and tidal energy famous by. Here, we can see the process of converting wind energy and tidal energy in detail. From here, we can see the design illustrate how the process of changing wind energy and tidal energy starting from wind turbine and tidal turbine to create current AC and IC current. This is example of energy hybrid and there's pros and cons. Hybrid system, wind microhydro, wind PV, wind diesel, flow cell, wind biomass. We can see I have met the pros and cons here with several journals.
And this is the efficiency of wind energy compared to other energy source. The system shows that the efficiency of solar photovoltaic generation is 12.5%. The efficiency of wind generation is 18.7%, and the efficiency of the entire hybrid system is 11.9%. The share of the photovoltaic matrix accounted for 75.2% of all generated energy, while the share of the wind matrix was 24.8%. This is three main references to our presentation. Next, I will return the presentation to Aristobimo.
That was presentation from our group. If you have questions, suggestions, and critiques, can be read in the comment column. If there are mistakes in word or things that are not pleasing to us, we apologize profusely. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.